But this was actually getting more serious than we thought. It was actually getting more serious than we wished. Also, I catch a video and then but to me, I'm man because of issue be and I'm resolving. Auntie Miss Rafa Chame, I think I need to come talk to people about it. Mami Pia on Australia. Auntie Jemfua. Or say on social media so I know who say Neba or Ghana Hano more than you school. Was say Ghana Hano on Ghana and Titi because they all have this belief say Ghana no your ethics and your morals. No, yes, say about you to Sapla one was say. Tinebana met Nagana Hano on ethics. Would you believe say Mammy the Banatina phone so fitty and now no paid? You know why? Mammy see what who send the back or comment Mommy, I love you. I will fear was nigga post to us into this only Apolano. Mammy say ne bana share the title or what or no mammy as a mother. Ne bana share the title with and you'll be to say fear was nigga. Into my mini bofu with this only the banana men, mammy and the bandit phone so patch off it pa. Nana ye Kenyans are so much them with social media so hanamwa. You people should be grateful and thank God for our lives. Say you expose people like these people are or hiding behind cameras. Nanso omusu bayanka so omode tiasasi so no enye papa bia was nigga someone is disowning her daughter because the child came to under your post to post mommy. Akure no so sa wa pana mama a chosa. Akrana show me prove what just wa block your face take wa unfollow no wa any bibia still ne mama say for the fact say one hu tete ya me wo mama me dem ma wunti uko comment obi te say sa poster sintino mama ni bofu. Now I'm sure say mama no anger nyina is based on sister Fiashwas nigga ungratefulness. Mama ni anger nyina is based on the Fiashwas nigga's ungratefulness. Now what secret I want. What information say what evidence I want. Mostly we don't like coming to prove with evidence no because what would the evidence ba obi huaka nini ya concern na nini ya concern na if any concern na we ye do Jubilee House hono no ono a me boni din se ne ye mahye no ma hu sa wonu wunu na fiasho stega wonu ya concern me pese me bo hono abo ma ni din mama obi lose na djuma nipa we in charge of transport and logistics e wo Jubilee House no nini ya fiasho stega nu ya concern link nipa no e de ni ma fiasho stega wona no na fiasho stega e da fiasho stega ye am married na mabusuafo mi kuna busuafo nyina nim fa hin ko sin hin no. The man have lost his job. Papa no ya pamna for Jubilee House wo. Bad luck. Obi ti say fiashwa bad luck. Bad luck. Information se kutani periase. Information se kutani periase. According to Papa na now in charge of roads and logistics so hwan no. Ono osi afia wo ompewo wo na wo do ho hihye no na wo frefre no na wo frefre no na wo frefre no even crap Papa no mo ka stories tell more about them they don't want to believe it because and some of Papa can sign if you are some can say wo nua konkonsa LNK wo ma ministry of hwan a friend is saying you're in charge of logistics and roads so wo ni Papa American right so him say me can draw because me boss so we ma show people say your information no. The reason why you cannot attack me back is because you wonder where I get your informations from. That is why you cannot even attack me which I know. But you rather go behind me, call my bosses, call me penny for me. If you are ungrateful, my head, what do you have for Kuman and Mammy? Head, what do you have for Kuman and Mammy? I was your for a Fiashwas nigga, mano. James and John. I'm sorry, some didn't call any boom. It's supposed to be with an mammy. But I'm not here to insult and Colano Munyami. They are such an innocent boys. They have nothing to me. Yet to tell me you, and to be back. Obi mame ya fane manto komuni obi ya dia ya fana Kulano I'm not saying say I'm not going against them but I'm just letting you people know I first said one man was South Africa man fan Kulano South African passport on chiremo maka munde no say address your mama beka say one man was South Africa on fan Kulano South African passport in chire me na be kan ye Fiashwas nigga. Wo ma James and John wa Ghana ha. One is a bronyina kokra no wie kogu okohu wa America no. wo wa Ghana ha ena wie wugya wo ma afrakoma maame she James and John 7 years na kwabo asha wo South Africa e fi so say onye cabin crew on course school bia o me she soldier for atade na me chat picture it say me soldier ni me she soldier for atade na dress as na me person bibi na me chat picture me pa cho be soldier ni good. And if someone dresses like a cabin crew, if I have a soldier and I'm a friend, na me jina tade which is illegal, chat picture and na me am ko market ko to kaftan na me chat picture pa na me a cabin crew na me soldier ni afia so nega woni me anu nyina nim say wotumi frɛ Emma woni no ejina phone so you call Emma on phone na mo sre about you deceiving Ghanaians say we a cabin crew wa ko him fa school aviation school no na mo sre about it woni Emma timi jina phone so Emma say e ya fia Ghana for agi wadi che na mo de from na mo sre because one ko cabin crew school bia wo frɛ Emma what if you nega me na me catch I'm putting it to you. What him ni Emma? Say me kan Emma winim no. Monica na waje na boss ne ne. Monica adanfo Emma. Say winim no. What him frɛ Emma ni gina phone so. Na mo sere Ghanaians for believing say wo ka say wo ko cabin crew this uniform na wo share your trap picture na beto na mo a na Ghana fo agye adi. You laugh Ghanaians. E Ghana fo da mo dibi di pa. Na mo da fam quick. Na mo sere. Na mo da fam na mo sere. I fear your ungratefulness took you. Emma, Miss Emma, Afrakuma, Miss Share, James and John, Emma Okopa Shower was South Africa 7 years. Oba, I didn't idea, mamma, and the banner. What by your idea, Nadia Afrakuma, mamma, and about Luxen, Muntiemi. May mamma run down of a fierce was naked some gratefulness. Nama who say, and I shall modern one or Diano. And now, but for why? About $1 best play best play birthday as in one at the end. And now before our Tamsika chichi over 200 million at gold chain papa to come on your kwana at the end. Ne mum, what the young crowford fitted your ungratefulness is from Tete. One John. James and John, or the John at all, Akokana, one and one in manner, or the John at Akokana, the John. Akokana or the John. One James and John. Woo mo and I would join Mamma Afrakuma mission Kulani 7 years. Afrakuma tini botomuska, no dear Tordiana woman, what Tordiana mammy actually was share woman and mammy for 7 years if ya for a tipum for South Africa. Nakobo brafabra, Okoyano, Okowa show, one not for Namuka show South Africa, no minimum. I just was nigga Monica's pap, ever takwa. I said, which in a move. Who's a takwa for move? If you are a takwa for move. Takwa ni ma maybe who's a neighbor follow cry or to me born a banana so. Because omu say we are exposed as shower. As shower wajina Kumasi Viana abo. Golden tulip. Omo no dey if you so who run down. E guyensem. Wa brabo. Me jina he menya perfect o. Oba bia wo si so a won worry a woni me ma da bia no. Ye kan shower e do be ka ho. Everyone has a horrible past. We are all trying to grow and improve on our past to be better today. But the future is got the earth sign. And the past the time earth sign don't I don't know man the guts so be count for us and Ghana or be ungrateful. Me say if she was able to be ungrateful to Afrakuma and mama, aboa also na me go sika and o sika nik woni who if you know me no nya yesterday ye di Ghana ha yesterday me here bibia Queen's gluta cash is a glutation come boni dia. Oh no, last year she helped me with an amount of money. Mr. Mimi na just mama tie. So me for sikam to me ho. Me ni hwe, nyame na me sere so be me kese no mama nkwatentia ye adwuma na me de ahwe me ma. Na me no bi anu nyina ye da one scale. Mimi hia bibi na me do obi a me friend pa na ka chene Stasha. My action. No atam bam. Say now no pam sorry me show me phone so alert I shall send me money was this is for your this is for my godson was me ban any godson every month be akwani sikaba na kada kroma so ma begina ha ma betwa ntro say I shall ma miskada once pe and I will hear me ban once pe me ye baifo If I do that, I'm a witch. If you 4 months ago, what Afrakuma Australia? You called Afrakuma in Australia to send you money. Now why is she? Afrakuma invitation. I met no Australia. Now they're gonna know here. I pose again. A friend is saying, and she never could $1 so I bet now pay you. So now we move you and drive a cost painters. No, I come home. Who to high pressure? Who my high pressure? Now no work asana. Me say, a friend is saying, Aisha Modi, one could share $20,000 no. A friend is saying, Diamond appear me 5 minutes as I never quite Ontia, Cotas as no could share $20,000 in Nakotoni. Who num, Cassa, and so if you was friend weddy, Bessin Naya will say, why ye? What did you never could $1 the fronting? It was social media and if you still call people begging for money. What fra come last month, Srenisika. Every year, I catch some more invitation. James and John, one more South Africa. I dare you. Don't come back at me with insults. And I just saw what the enemy no. Yeah, I can't hold no crano. Just saw what the baby Monica do to Coshaya no. Just saw what the Cohon mono. Just saw what the Cohon and anybody by for sale. Just saw what the enemy Droson baby Monica. I do to Coshaya no. So they can we yamashu. I don't want baby who's a Monica do quiet no. Just saw what says Monica no ye me a downfall. Now we find a downfall. We train the boss. Jai baby Monica they will quiet and Jai saw what the nam honomono. Now what do you quiet you? Baby, I be Fabian, and we see it. Oh, but I will see the castle. I just physically and I behind the person who may be an queer. Trust me, spiritually. Oh, boy. A bomb pie, assuming Namio. Namio, I don't know, to your text, Masono. One penny, my war, ungrateful and in Guassini, but to say, oh, dear, soon couldn't die. Unless a Namia would do the crutch at text, I say, and can I just say, I mean, when you and stop paying hungry. Twat on Facebook, hungry bloggers, no more Facebook on some made Jai Shatem. Jai, Asha would dinner time and no Karawana. Asha would dinner time no and refuse like you couldn't sleep. Also the whole night. Besides, what came over me? I who must have American, so who they make them. Asha would dinner time no. Yesterday you didn't sleep. Besides, and I didn't about me soon me responded to Aisha. You asked yourself because who say why a bonnet? Jai sa fe dia wa want me for animum ba because what fresh for say yan kan chai and I shall seize fire. Enti won't me for animum ba nti se sia no what the nam small bloggers on Facebook so o man 100 series obedi di atama. Stop it. Na ma yan kan okre of ungratefulness in chiro. Now no be one of kasa me nti Aisha Modi doesn't have an identity. Na Aisha Modi adan she loves Tomboy. Onko Bobra na ompe edin was a media num. Kwakwe, if you was nega wodin. Wodin, if you was nega na yewudin, e your brand. Yesu sa na yetie delay e wo my FM delay betina sia. If ya maba, if ya tago. If ya maba, if ya was nega. Delay na this amra ne no bubo ne ho a oye ni series e no to ye if ya was nega. Obi series. Te said ye delay ye kokko branwi. I was there. A friend is saying, Michi Munina, we nanka Michi Nidinti, Coco Brown, Quabi, and Michi, a Faco Brown, Anthony, so meeting. That also happened to you. Do you have a name? Do we recognize you in the industry? If you tell us the name that brought you to limelight, I will cast out one Jane who won't because Obi needing, Obi ban, on pedina, on fire, and grow industry. You know, that's a she loves Tomboy. If yes was nigga, do you have a name? Is if yes was nigga your name? Is it your brand? Is it your content? Delay on one and run no the born on my FM. And on what them ran born one, oh yeah, yeah, delay. Or them ran any born one. I feel all a friend is saying, oh, could turn the TV series more in the face was nigga. And or stare a hungry, ungrateful person. Hey, delay in nama. Hey, na a Jimmy phobia. Muditi today, and you envy her. Me envy you on the cramanda. Me see if you snake not another because on the cramanda. What's me a retaliate? What's my baby video? W did not another attempt. One will say if your baby video because assassin and not another kind of woman be that. She dare not because one him said it is fucking true. One is one him dear one him says as I'm going to cast and crime not another before I boss me okrum and adia general. It is as I'm quite dear on to make her say and cray. Na ma envy wo. For what? But we are saving idiots na mugugu social media so na moye you envy her, you envy her. No bit veteran say I can see some nyina mo the first say get build the channel. Money nkwan afa so didi. Monaguchi or the Monaguchi building YouTube sa. Edidi Monaguchi ho sa. That was what she did. And you can't be uncle saying crofo image didi uncle number 1. And then karma is paying you. Nano, wo evidence, a chat evidence, a wo, a fear. Wakwajina na ba na mwahu pa, se ude jana na ba ma me na pe bibi kakra me dini juma organ hapa na ba na mwanya wo hwe. Oni wo boni bia, but you took money from somebody just to insult the lady. Dia wo ye didi organ ha no, wo wan sra, wo be blackmail, one blackmail, abakwa kodu hu didi, enema for we. Thank God we are not doing any of them. But as we go to them for help. By some sometimes ungrateful person like that. After Kumare Mami. Share James and John Ghana ha. Share James and John Ghana ha. Emma will quab South Africa Cobal shower Konya cabin crew for uniform. The cabin crew for certificate brabonting. Don't go and forge it. And then we know you can all forge whatever. Don't go and forge it. For real certificate as South African and you bosso. So we a cabin crew. You wish you saw James and John was South Africa. You wish. You wish Uncolana, oh, I'm a South African cardio market because when you was here to Ghana, Haron, when your baby, the woman, question and quantity and sign warm. So who was South African passport and calculate no diomoko. You say the Australian or passport, not Africa, come way, walk what in Australia. Australia, and if I said I will condo. Oh, you're ungrateful, Dodo. Above 1 power, no, it was below bar. Oh, you're ungrateful, Dodo. If you are more power, no, what do you move your Dodo? Oh, you're ungrateful, Dodo. Oh, you're ungrateful, Dodo. Or be a solitary, you'll be your band with that. Miss Winnie, I want some sweaty. Way, a juice. You also you want winning. And you might agree. If you're ungrateful, Dodo. Way, if you Ghana best organic, onum juice way ya. It boosts to metabolism. Juice way, one no man. Still there, so a master idea it works only in the tummy. It works only in the tummy. Way, yeah, the cucumber, lemon, the ginger. Oh no, what's in my idea, any woman? And yet, the secret herb. If any, this is the herb, and you will never gonna have baby anto. So I have way, or be a person is so tepano, at a strokes, a ma. Ntiante yim you pema wonom uye onom na nopa no one mus ore no one mus aguso no are no one mus aguso ye ma 2 days what be what hen han wo ntadim a very powerful herb and no any different cucumber lemon ginger pineapple na ye juicy ye blend different way. So what you said then we you funu said then person you funu so this is the ebini Ghana how one said ya chire no asum me be wo buy your factory wait and cocaine as about go crack for man na bibi yen because ne wedding pa this is the hair and free baby if you take it and e dey you no ntu you obi a ofusun me obi ebisa me wo wie ye ba ne sen now person wo fuso tia if I show you need this juice you. Oh no, my common no. If you are ungrateful, do what level of ungratefulness no? I brought Jane into us so. That be a madam, yam shimmy mount, Miss Lane and Coupon manufacture the mount every day because Bonnie would D. Timmy just celebrate his unska, Janama meeting to mamma, or when you're in what your matin keke. Then how? And when it's time for us to tell the truth. Na or mommy people you people have precious mothers. Me say mama na me ne bakasa na was the banana comment mom go first say post that but this only akola no my patch also I had to let sister Aisha come in. And so mama na say this is the kind of person we are talking about, the ungratefulness. If you be grateful for who helped you, or be so baby, be grateful to them. Frakuma ne mama hwe James and John 7 years. Ma ko bo a hye wo South Africa. Obi a wo ne na mo bo a hye wo South Africa. I spoke to the person today. Ogusu South Africa oh. John Wu ye James and John papa friend John Wu ye and now san ko hia broni foforo afia ko wi broni ni gold eton ne car etam ni sika na broni ni report wo de do ko South Africa now you wanted, you were declared wanted and I do the journey ko South Africa wo de do ko South Africa no who has a horrible past like you and still living a horrible present. I tell you what, the wedding ni patem. I will come again with proofs, and some of me coming will be our proof. Oh dear gra, she can only deny, but oh dear one is a money proof and the young channel. Me mean the casa brass and the minimum proof. Won't you wait? I'm on 7 more as lunch. Let's see about for dinner.